So we need to go to 2 to 3 volts on this. 2 to 3 volts. Oh, a little high. Alright. Just 2.5. And then slowly increase pressure so that we can watch here, your inlet pressure goes to 7 inches water column. There's close to 7. Slight fluctuation.
Well, that could be this regulator causing that.
Right. But it's not going up by 2 to 3 at a time anymore. It was going 2 to 3 inches variance. Why don't we go up a little more? It's dropping out. So now we're down to under 6. Alright, here's 7 again.
I almost say this is not precision.
Right, that could be. We're not varying as much as we were, and John had said that some oscillation is going to occur. Okay, so I guess let's turn our valve on.
Valve's on.
A slight decrease, but still not a major fluctuation.
Okay, let's slowly open this then.
Alright. Still at 7.3, 7.2.
No, 1.
Oh, is that 1? Oh, it is a 1. You're correct. You're right. Ah, that's better.
Stabilized about 1.2.
Yeah. Very little oscillation.
Yeah, send it to him and see what he says. If
Alright.
that works, we'll get the other one and we'll
You want
get
to
this guy wired into the...
turn it up a little bit? Maybe just go through a little range.
Yeah, okay.
Well, we got to turn up the regulator first. That regulator first. So, right now, increasing the 0 to 60 regulator.
Real temp PSI, we got right at about 8 PSI on that. We're running 2.4 volts on the power supply for the valve.
Okay. Why don't we go to 0 on the power supply and show that it goes to 0 PSI. Alright.
There's 0 voltage on the regulator.
Okay.
And the meter needs to be calibrated.
Right. So, zeros. And with the valve closed, pressure is not increasing, so it is not allowing any bleed through.
And valve shut off.
Valve shut off.
Still remains the same.
Right. Okay. Well, I think that was enough.
Yep.
Or you wanna? What if we maybe try going to 60 on this and then slowly increasing the voltage on that and see, making sure we're not gonna
I'd rather
bust the
go way
gauge.
over.
You think
I
so?
think 60 is probably a problem with the gauge there.
Why don't we leave this stuff on just in case it jumps the pressure too much? It'll at least bleed it out.
over 60 pounds.
Alright.
Turn this to 0.
Alright.
Okay, so we've got the valve on,
Valve
function.
on.
We got the ball valve open,
So we don't blow a gauge up.
and we're going to start increasing pressure. There's 1 volt. That's 1 volt.
Alright.
2.1 volts.
And this is at 60 psi.
It's down to 55.
Inlet. Oh, it's dropped to 55. So 2 volt.
2 volts.
Alright.
It's 3 volts.
Alright, let's see if we balance out right there at 3 volts. It's holding pretty steady. Alright, and that is at 3 volts.
55 psi.
Drop to 50 psi. Say we're good.